Hey guys, it's Miss Ursic here. I am going to just record a few minutes here to show you how to use Jamboard for the Cold War map. There is going to be a number of different tasks that you need to complete. And in each task, I'll show you kind of how you do it on Jamboard. The first task, you're reading through the six events. And for this task, it asks you to draw an image and add it in the place that it takes, the event takes place. So we're going to read through them and highlight them, and then we're going to add an image. So we can't actually, well, we could draw one if you want to, but I'm going to show you how to add an image. So if you, let's see, can you see? Okay. So if you go click right over here on to the insert, add an image. And then you can even just search through the Google search image. So the first one is the Soviets test the bomb. So you could do something with like nuclear energy or nuclear bomb, right? And you can kind of find one of these. So you can add like this image. So you're going to click insert and then wait for it. And then you're going to kind of tighten it up a little bit, make it smaller just by dragging, clicking the end and dragging it. And the key thing is to add it where it goes. So for this one is in the Soviet Union. So it just has to be within the borders of the Soviet Union. So that's for step one. Again, you're going to just go over here to insert add image, and then you should be able to search through Google image search and find an image that will be appropriate for each of the six events. Okay. Just a quick note that when you do some for West Berlin, this is West Berlin up here in the left-hand corner and right here, okay? So you can see here, that's where West Berlin is. So you might need to add some of your images up there. The second task asks you to complete in the chart here. Pull this open. And so you're going to read through and you are going to actually not do anything right away on the Jamboard. You're going to read through these events here and you're going to add them on your student handout. So hopefully you have a student handout and you're just going to type the countries in, boom, like that. And then it asks you to go ahead and color according to the map. So all of our Marshall Plan countries, we have to color green. So how do you color? If you go back over here and if you click on this pen, and if I think this one, the brush is the best option for coloring, and I have to color it green, so I'm clicking on green here. So I know that France got the Marshall Plan, so I can kind of see and highlight. You see, hopefully you can tell where I am, and you can kind of just add it in right there. So you're going to color all your Marshall Plans green, and then you're going to do blue dots for NATO. So you can just kind of go same idea, get your blue dots, just hold. And then you have to also draw a line. And so I think you have to draw a black line. I think, let's see if this one is the best here. That one's actually, so that one is the best one for the line, for the Iron Curtain speech. So that is the highlighter option, and you click that in black, okay? And then the last thing that you have to do is for this map is you have to add your key, right? So I knew this was the Marshall Plan, so let's go back and get my green. I'm gonna color this in green here. And to fill out my key, I'm just gonna add a text box. So click text box, I'm gonna highlight it right here, and then I'm gonna write Marshall Plan. If it's too large, like mine, I want it kind of a little bit, I can just drag it over here, or I can click here and go up to my my size, and I can click bigger. If it's too big, I can go down and come large. I want to add this one. So that should be able to get you all the three things, images, coloring, and the text boxes. So those three things you should be able to finish your map. Thanks.